Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common question about the Logitech K750 keyboard. This keyboard is fantastic because it's solar powered. But, what happens if you want to connect it and don't have the USB receiver? Or maybe you lost it? It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll explore some solutions. First, let's clarify something important. The Logitech K750 keyboard does not have Bluetooth connectivity. It relies solely on a USB receiver, often called the Logitech Unifying Receiver. So, directly connecting it without some form of wireless communication is impossible. Now that we've established that direct connection without the receiver isn't an option, let's explore what you can do. One option is to purchase a replacement Logitech Unifying Receiver. You can find these online at places like Amazon or directly from Logitech. Ensure you buy the correct receiver, as some models might not be compatible. Once you have the new receiver, you will need to pair it with your K750 keyboard. To do this, you'll need to download the Logitech Unifying software from the Logitech website. Install the software on your computer. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. The software will guide you through pairing the keyboard with the new receiver. It usually involves turning the keyboard off and on. The software looks for the keyboard and establishes the connection. Another option, if you have other Logitech devices that use the unifying receiver, is to see if you can temporarily borrow the receiver from one of those devices. This is only a temporary solution to test if the keyboard itself is working correctly. If it works with another receiver, you know the issue was solely the missing receiver. A third option, and this is more of a workaround than a solution, is to consider using a USB extension cable if the problem is that the receiver is simply too far away from the keyboard for a stable connection. This will not help if you lost the receiver. However, if the issue is distance or interference, the extension can improve the signal. Remember to keep the receiver away from other electronic devices which might cause interference. Connecting the keyboard might require some patience. If you have issues, ensure the batteries are charged well, give it a good dose of sunlight or bright light. Also, double-check that the unifying software is updated. Don't give up. Often, simply reinstalling the software and trying the pairing process again will resolve the problem. Okay, that covers connecting the Logitech K750 keyboard without the original USB receiver. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through other ways such as sharing the video with your friends.